I draw inspiration from home. I'm always thinking of my people through the vessel of being a musician and a singer. I'm able to transfer knowledge through mahi waiata. I feel like that's my purpose. I have a deep love for music. I sort of know nothing else. I think it's part of my whakapapa. Using music as a vessel to share our stories and waiata I te reo Māori, te reo Pākehā. Never saw it as a responsibility as such. I think it was more an understanding that was my lane, that was my reina. I te tau 2022 I te whare wānanga o Massey University I Poneke nei. I hui ngā tahi mātou, ngā kai waiata I te tangata rongonui I te ao puoro, ngā kaitaki, ngā kai waiata, ngā mātanga reo. I hui tahi mātou ki reira mō tētihi wiki hei tito waiata hou. I love it. Okay, cool. Suppose e paku whakamārama mō te waiata. I was pretty fortunate to have our kuia mātanga reo te haumihia Mason, who I feel like she probably wrote most of it in the reo and all of that. It was such a beautiful process, but her and I, we collaborated as writers. That's it for now. Just something to open up the space for tonight's jams. But mihi nui kia tātou. Thanks for coming. Okay. The beautiful thing actually about this process is collaboration and the power of collaboration. I really enjoy that space. It was, working with mātanga reo, working with other producers and other musicians and singers, working with other like-minded people. For this waiata in particular, it's been pretty smooth sailing. Yeah, that's it. Here we are at the Otaki Surf Club, and I'm going to head in and go and get my makeup done for the video. Anei te tihi panekoti. I think it's cool because it sort of is a reflection of hine moana, hine tai. I love the drama in it. He taonga tēnei, nā taku whāia I hanga, a whāia kōhai Grace, I hanga I te muka me ngā huruhuru o te toroa. Kei ngā takutai moana o Otaki. Tēnei te tihi o aku wāhi kāinga, raukaua te iwi. Hei hāpori a tāhua. I haere hoki au ki te whare wānanga o raukaua, hei whai I te ara mātauranga Māori, te tohu pautuarongo whakaakoranga. Hei kai ako no te reo. Nā reira ai, he wāhi rongonui tēnei. Kei konei aku tamariki, e ako ana, e noho tahi ana ki o rāua whanaunga ki te kura kaupapa Māori o te rito.
Alright, so well, tell me about the song then.
Well, it's like some would say a ballad. It mentions hine tai, the female personification of the tides, and oue nuku, oue, which is a certain moon phase, and how the moon and the tides work together. Part of my purpose is to help connect people to taiao, to atua, to tangaroa, to ranginui, to papa, and of course, my own babies, to our kōrero. And to who it is we are as an Indigenous people of Aotearoa. And this is one āhua, this is one kai waiata, this is one vessel, I suppose, out of many that is able to do that, you know. And the hope really that people connect with my waiata.